Okay. Oh, don't want to do that. Don't want to exit, but I want to take that down. Okay. We turn the fan off. Alright, we are back with part 2. Hopefully you didn't get rid of it or anything, but if you did, you can start over to that part. And then get to 6. If you accidentally exited out, just go this step 5, get through step 5, and then start here. Alright, format objects. This one is the longest. Remember, everybody, you can go over here to the A+ and make your stuff bigger. Alright? Or smaller. I think we're going to stay big for now. Sorry about the voice. I was listening to the other video and the sound is a little off and a little weird and a little sharp in places, but I can't adjust the sound. I don't know how to do that. Alright, so the first one says, with the grouped curved lines still selected. See, they are because I have not clicked over here. In the shape styles group, so we're going to probably go in format. That's probably where it wants us to go. Yep, on the format tab, in the shape styles group, click the arrow for shape outline. Okay, shape outline, there's the arrow. And it says we're going to go down to weight. It's right there. And we're going to click 2 1/4 points. That's right there. Made them nice and thick. Okay. Number 2. In the shape styles group, which is still this, well, this group right here, we are going to click the arrow for shape effects. There's the arrow, click it. We're going to go to bevel. There's bevel. And we're going to click soft round. Now I've done this enough that I know where it is, but if you don't know where it is, you can put your cursor over them and they should tell you. But this is soft round. I've done it like 20 times. Okay. In the shape styles group, click the arrow for shape fill. You notice it's saying click the arrow for. If it just says click shape fill, then you're going to click the button right here. You're not going to click the arrow. But right now it says click the arrow for shape fill. And then we're going to click blue in the standard colors. This is the standard colors. This is blue. Not light blue, just blue. Okay, there's a tiny bit of change there, wasn't there? Alright. Alright, so number 4. I wish you could mark these off as you go. In the shape styles group, click the arrow for shape outline. Did we just do that? I don't even remember. Click the arrow for shape outline and then click blue again. Okay, we're in shape outline, we're clicking blue. Okay. Number 5. Select the can object. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to see this part up here. We're going to click there, and now your entire can has these little handles around it. So your can is what you're going to be manipulating now. Okay, you're going to click the shape fill button and then click the shape outline button. Remember, it does not say the handles or the down arrow. It just says the button, and the reason we're clicking this button is because it's the color we already want. So there's the shape fill and the shape outline. Okay. Number 6. And I did not have to click over here in order to scroll down, by the way. So I'm still activated over here. Alright, number 6. Click the oval shape. That's this one here. Now you see the buttons are around where the oval shape is. Even behind the can, there's oval shape. So you can see the button down here at the bottom. That's where the bottom of the oval is. Okay. And you're going to set the shape outline and shape fill to light blue. Okay. So you're going to do shape fill. There's light blue. And you're going to do shape outline. Light blue. Okay. In the shape styles group, we're still in this group, we're going to click shape effects. Shape effects. Sorry if I don't get the words out correctly sometimes. So we're going to go to soft edges, which is right here, and we're going to click on 1 point. It just gives you a little bit of soft edge, takes away the real sharp edge. Alright, so number 8, it says select the text in the oval. Okay, so let's get that text selected. So you're going to click in front of it, and you're going to slide your cursor across with your finger on the left mouse button, holding it down and selecting it. I think you can click it like that. You can double click in the word and it'll work too, most of the time. Okay, click the more to display the gallery in word styles. This is the more, see, finally shows up. And we're going to click fill gold accent for soft bevel. Okay, this one looks beveled and soft, and it looks gold, so that would be the first one you'd probably go to, and it is fill gold accent for soft bevel. So you click it, and that's what it is. I'm going to scroll up without clicking. With the text still selected, click the arrow for text effects. See, it's still selected. So now we're going to go to text effects, and we're going to go down to bevel, and then we're going to go to angle. Like I said, run your cursor over it and wait a minute and it'll tell you what it is, but I know this is it because, like I said, I've done it. Alright, your diagram should appear similar to this one. It does-ish. It does-ish. Never looks exactly the same, I don't know why. And they did this little nice swoop on theirs, and it still don't look like a light bulb, so whatever. Alright, close enough. Alright, so click the Home tab. So we go over here to the Home tab. It's already open, so there you go. We're going to go to the editing group. This is the editing group over here. It's a little small group. You're gonna click select the arrow, and then you're gonna say select objects. Alright. Now, right now you don't see anything. If you've not clicked, once you click select objects, don't click anywhere. Just move your mouse over here, and then starting a bit above the top left of the drawing. Oh, I don't have an anchor. Okay. Then you're going to drag to the bottom of the drawing to select all the objects in the drawing. And it's going to turn gray like this until you let go. Okay, so I would just go up here, go down, move it over. So right now I have my finger on the left mouse button. I'm holding it down during that whole time, and I'm still holding it down, and that's why it's gray. When I let go, it will be selected, but it will not be gray. Okay, I've let go, everything is selected. I'm scrolling down without clicking. On the Format tab, so go up here and click the Format tab. Now if you click anywhere in here, you will deselect all that, and you'll have to do that step over again, okay? Which is no big deal. You'll just go back to select on the Home tab and select Object and do it again. So on the Format tab of the Drawing Tools ribbon, in the Arrange group, click Group. Okay, so here's Group, alright? And now we have an ungroup because we did have something else grouped, but don't click that one. So we're going to click Group and put all the pieces together. Now it's one piece. Okay? It's one single object, like it says. Right click the object. Alright, we're going to right click. Now, the instruction, like it does for every picture and every object and everything, tells you to right click and then edit alt text. Remember, we do not have that. And it's important to where you click, actually, in this thing. So right now, if you look, I just clicked in the oval and it did not give me anything. So click out of it. Let's try the can. Right click the can, it still did not do it. Right click, aha. Right click the lines. Then it finally gave me Format Object. That's where we get our Edit Alt text. Format Object, Format Picture, Format Shape. Okay, so now we click that, and in the Format Shape box, we're going to click this one that has the 5 little dots in the middle. And here's our alt text. And in the description box, we're going to type drawn image to represent canister for new ideas. Maybe it's not a light bulb. I thought it was a light bulb. Okay, and then we're going to close this task pane, and you use this X right there, and it's closed. Okay. We're going to mark it as done, and we're going to hit next. Now, everything's still selected, but our page is not activated. See that? Because we clicked over here. So on the Format tab, in the Shapes area, click Text Box. So we're actually done with this shape, so just click somewhere and get rid of those lines. They bug me. Alright, so now we're going to go click the Insert tab, and we're going to click the Text Box. Alright. So sometimes it will do it right. Sometimes when you click it, it'll give you a text box. Nope. It's not going to do it today. Okay, so just pick the simple one. You're supposed to be able to draw one. Hopefully you'll be able to draw one, and if you do, you'll get, you'll have a plus, and you'll be able to draw it. I don't know why mine's not letting me do it today. Let's try it again. Okay, so on the Format tab, oh, because I went through Insert, I did not go through the Format tab. Aha, I love making mistakes, because then I can show you it's not no big deal if you make a mistake, and you can go fix it without going back and undoing a whole bunch of stuff. So I did need to keep this attached. I needed to keep this highlighted so we can have this Format tab, because that text box thing, where's that? Oh my gosh, I'm blind. In the Shapes area, where's the Shapes? Draw text box. See, that's important. That might be why we're missing some things, because I forgot about this part. So it's under the Format tab. Draw text box. Now you get the plus. Okay. Haha. Start at approximately ½ inch from the top right of the drawing to create a text box approximately 2 inches wide by 1 inch high. Okay, you can use your arrow or whatever. Ignore that. Let's just go back and do that again. Okay, so draw your text box. If you double click, you'll get a text box. So one click, drag it. It's there. You can always check your things up here. So it said 2 by 1 high, so 1 point high and 2 point wide. Okay, there's your text box. Alright, so remember to do step 7, you're going to keep this thing activated with those things around it. Then you're going to use the Format tab and go over here to this text box. Aha, I think that's why people are missing that. Alright, so we're going to type ENGAGE, sorry, our greatness with our right ideas. Okay, and then click the border of the text box. So just put your little thing on it and click it. Then we're going to go to the Home tab and change the size to 18 points. When you go to the Home tab and you click on that box and it's got those little things around it, everything you change will affect everything in the box. So when you change it to 18, all the letters will change. Okay. Under Drawing Tools, click the Format tab again. There's Drawing Tools. There's Format. And we're going to go to the Word Art section and click on the More, And then we're going to click again on the Fill Gold Accent for Soft Bevel because it matches the other one. In the Word Art Styles group, click the arrow for text effects. That's right here. And we're going to click the shadow and the inside right. So here's the outer and the inner. So it's going to be in this box, and we're going to want it the right one, inside right. This one says inside diagonal top right. This one says inside right. So that's what they want. Hope you can still hear me. I notice my voice gets quieter. Okay, let's go over here and scroll. In the Word Art Styles group, click the arrow for text if we already did that one. In the Word Art Styles group, click the arrow for text outline. Okay, text outline. And you're going to click no outline. Okay, that's on the text. Okay. Resize the text box so that the text fits on 2 lines. So you grab this handle and just pull it out until they all fit on 2 lines. I was holding my left mouse button down while I was pulling that. Now it says apply heading 1 to the title of the document. This is the title of the document. Heading 1. Okay. Now we're going to mark this complete. And it's done. Now we're going to click the Insert tab. Okay, remember it takes 2 clicks because one you have to activate your document and then the other click will make it open up. And we're going to go to the text box thing and it says scroll and point to the various text boxes so you can include with the document. So you just look and look and look and look. It doesn't show up. It's supposed to show up, but in the Design tab, click Facet Sidebar, right. Facet Sidebar right. So this is the one we want. Sorry, I'm kind of all over the place here. Okay, so then we click the Design tab. Here's the Design tab. And we're going to click Themes. This is the Themes over here on the left. And we're going to click Parcel. So you don't see Parcel, so you're going to have to scroll down. You don't have to click, just scroll. And there it is. Parcel. Now you click. And then you close this document without saving. But first I'm going to mark that complete. And I'm going to close this document and waste all the stuff we did. All the hard work will go bye-bye. And it says, do you want to save it? No. Do you want to continue? Yes. And then we're going to submit. And if you took your time, you should get all green X's. Because we didn't have to undo 1,000 times or anything like that. So that's really good. That's part 2. That should get you through shapes. I'm glad I made mistakes because it shows you how easy it is to fix them without stressing out. Okay, so I'm going to sign off. And I hope this does help you. Bye.